The reason for unbelievably strict quality control is due to my personal bad experience with deceptive labeling. Our factory operates under even stricter policies than the industry average in Japan. Why are we so particular about this? It is because based on my experiences, I have made a promise to myself to keep maintaining our high-quality standards. Formerly, I worked at a food processing plant. There, we sold high-quality natural health food that was good for you. We want to deliver high-quality products to many customers. I worked based on that pure thought only. But then, we almost got caught up in a quality problem where products came from a different source without being informed. During that period, there were many problems with deceptive labeling of products. Under no circumstances did I want this to happen. Then instantly, I imagined my mother's face. I had already told her that there were good quality products, but at the same time, I imagined the heartbroken faces of our customers. I could not betray our consumers. Food is not just limited to natural foods. It is something for everyone, from small children to elderly people. Family is irreplaceably important to everyone. Under no circumstances could I allow bad quality or dangerous food to be given to beloved family members. I decided that the only way to have an ideal factory is one that I make myself. So, I quit working at the natural food plant and started FI Corporation. FI stands for Food International. I went to raw materials production centers all over the world and met directly with the producers. I listened to their thoughts, felt their passions, and what they are particular about. And that is what we based our thinking on. If I didn't have any bad experiences in the past, our factory would not have become this strict. One by one, other factories are following in my footsteps. Come and see how we take pride in our company's strict inspections. To prevent dust and bacteria from being brought into the workplace, we have these 10 steps to follow when entering the workplace. When changing into your work clothes, it is possible that contaminants attach to your clothing. So we use a sticky roller to remove any contaminants that may have attached. When entering the workplace, all items brought in and one's physical condition are checked. Hands and fingernails are washed thoroughly. After washing hands, they are thoroughly dried and disinfected to prevent bacteria from being brought in. The air shower passage removes any contaminants on your whole body that may have adhered to work clothing. Workers perform a strict visual check of all finished products going to customers and strive for quality improvement. The machine's condition is checked at all times to prevent manufacturing defects. All bottles are carefully checked before use. Advanced preparation before filling bottles. One by one, each bottle is carefully set up. Preventing contaminants from entering the workplace is not the only measure we take. While working, it is our policy to wear goggles and gloves to keep eyebrows, eyelashes, and such from becoming contaminants. During production, the finished tablets are checked thoroughly for any defects. The finished hard capsules and tablets are visually inspected one by skilled workers. Only skilled workers who have passed a company test can perform the visual inspections. Every 90 minutes, workers are changed to maintain precise inspections. Lastly, a metal detection machine performs a final check for contaminants. The staff carefully produces and packages the products one by one. After production, to ensure that no residue is left behind, every small part of the machine is washed thoroughly. Some machines have over 100 disassembled parts to wash. Next, to make sure that the materials are not mixed with the next product, machines are thoroughly cleaned. It takes 1 day to disassemble and clean the large machines. It may also take 1 day to clean the main machine. By cleaning every small part, the customer can be relieved to know that we are making safe products for use. After washing, parts are thoroughly dried to prevent moisture from promoting bacterial growth. All containers, desks, conveyor belts, and such are cleaned and disinfected with alcohol. Every corner of the workplace is cleaned twice a day to maintain a good sanitary environment. When not in use, work clothes are placed in an ultraviolet storage locker. In addition, work clothes are changed daily. After the quality inspection, a sample of bulk goods and products are stored for 3 years and raw materials for 4 years. From the expiration date on products to raw materials, all goods are carefully managed for traceability. In addition, there are irregular sanitary checks on everything from factory machines to doorknobs. We play an important role in our customers' health. On a routine basis, we have strict checks on our workers to ensure that there are absolutely no mistakes. It is our thinking that if we relax our efforts at the workplace, that transcends to what our customers consume. Of course, we do not have careless workers, and we have regulations in place to prevent mistakes. But to make double sure, all employees, including myself, keep a watchful eye out. Why is that? It's because we can visualize our customers' faces, children and grandchildren, grandfathers and grandmothers, families' smiling faces. We are responsible for keeping people healthy. Imagine your beloved family taking dangerous products without knowing. It is heartbreaking to imagine. Is it okay to have a loved one take this? Before anyone else, you want to give your family high-quality products. We want to make those products. For that reason, we are thoroughly strict. Peace of mind and safety is an easy thing to say. Every day we take the obvious things and take them seriously. That is the FI-ism, like made in Japan. Please come and see our factory for yourself. We are a GMP-authorized factory that maintains strict guidelines similar to drug manufacturing companies. Come experience the highest level manufacturing site in Japan. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Because we are a transparent company, we have been able to continue for a long time. From that reasoning, factory tours are always open to the public. We are looking forward to you seeing the future of health food for yourself.